In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively block a specific country from accessing your website using Cloudflare security features. Whether you're trying to protect your online content or manage traffic, this is a simple process that can help you enhance control over your website's accessibility. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudflare website. If you haven't signed up or logged in yet, make sure to do so. Once you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, everything you need will be readily accessible. Now you should see a list of your domains. This is where you'll choose the specific domain for which you want to set up the country block. A quick tip here is to keep your list organized if you manage multiple domains so you can find what you need without hassle. After selecting your domain, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Security. This section is crucial as it's where all the protective features are housed. Within the Security tab, you'll notice an option for WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. Click on this to proceed. The Web Application Firewall is essentially your gateway to setting up custom rules for your web domain protection. Next, you'll click on Create Custom Rule to establish a new protective regulation for your site. Here's where you'll start configuring the specifics of your rule. What you're aiming to do is block traffic from a particular country, so you'll first need to change the field setting to Country. It's both intuitive and powerful. Cloudflare helps you specify a wide array of conditions, but for now, we're focusing on geographic control. Once the field is set to Country, it's time to input the value, the actual country you want to block. A scroll-down menu may appear, allowing you to select from a comprehensive list. This functionality is helpful, especially if you're not entirely sure of all the available options. Make your selection carefully. Remember, this means preventing access from all internet traffic originating from this location. After you've decided on the country to block, look for the action setting. It should be a straightforward menu option next to where you've entered the country. You're going to set this action to Block. This tells Cloudflare to deny any attempts to access your domain from the specified country. The final crucial step is to click on Deploy. This action finalizes your rules, making them active. Take a moment to ensure you've configured everything correctly before you hit Deploy, as you want to be certain that you're only blocking what's necessary. Once deployed, your website will automatically start blocking access from users located in the specified country. And that's it. You're done. You've now learned how to use Cloudflare security tools to block traffic from specific countries, giving you that extra layer of control over your online presence. If you need adjustments in the future, you can always revisit these settings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more videos like this to continue enhancing your digital skills.